Hey everybody, hope you're all having a wonderful day. I am at the Craft Shack today for the nature activity. I'm borrowing a few supplies from the Craft Shack because we're going to make pet rocks. It's a super fun activity when you need a friend that'll always stick by your side. So I hope everybody's been making an effort to get outside and enjoy some fresh air every now and then. Next time you go, be looking around. And the fun thing about this is you can be out in the woods and find rocks, or you might just find rocks in the parking lot next to your house or wherever you're living. So find you a good rock, bring it back home with you, and we're going to turn this regular, ordinary rock into the greatest friend man has ever seen. So you'll need some craft supplies, paint, Sharpies, googly eyes, glue, anything really works. I'm going to use paint. All right, everybody, that's all for today. So get outside, go find you a rock, bring him in, decorate him however you want, he or she, doesn't matter. And don't forget to get outside.